Copyright law in the United States. What can an online professor use? What is copyright law? According to the U.S. Copyright Office, a copyright is a form of protection grounded in the U.S. Constitution and granted by law for original works of authorship, fixed in a tangible medium of expression. Copyright covers both published and unpublished works. Plain English, please. What does that mean? Well, if you didn't create it, don't use it, unless you fall within one of the exceptions. So what are some of these exceptions? Well, there's the U.S. government works, you can use those. There's the Teach Act and fair use, but we may not be able to use those. Or you can get permission, or you can use the Creative Commons licensing. Let's first look at the Teach Act and fair use and see who those apply to. The Teach Act applies to teachers teaching. It allows you to use copyrighted material. It has a few rules though, and it's a great benefit for distance learning environments too. But the institution must be an accredited, non-profit educational institution. Fair use uses a 4-factor test. What is the purpose and character of the use? The courts prefer a non-commercial and non-profit educational purpose. Number 2, what is the nature of the copyrighted work? Number 3, what portion of the work are you using? And 4, what is the effect on the use on potential market for the work? Does this all sound very complicated? Well, the easiest way to avoid trouble is to get permission or use Creative Commons works. Or you can use a URL. They are not copyrightable. And that, in a nutshell, is copyright for teachers. This short video was created for educational purposes only. No legal advice is intended. If you have legal concerns, please consult a lawyer.